Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to upload images to Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Craigslist.org website right here if you haven't already, and go ahead and open up and log into your account. If you do not know how to log into your account, you just want to go ahead and click on the account tab right here in the upper right corner, click on account, and then you want to go ahead and either sign up for a new account if you do not have one already, or log into an existing one. So after logging into your account, guys, now you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Craigslist, where you can see all the categories of products that you can access, such as you can see here is for sale, farm and garden services, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to upload images. So the first thing we want to do, guys, is to upload images to our ad, is to go ahead and create a posting. So we can do that by clicking the post button right here in the upper right corner next to your account, click on post, and after clicking on post, guys, now we can select where we want to make this ad, what location. Let's say San Francisco. Here select what location you want, select what you want, either job or maybe for sale by owner or some housing or some whatever. Here you can select what is the category, and now we can go ahead and give it a title. Let's say we are selling a book, give it a description, guys. Here we can go ahead and give it a price, it doesn't matter, and enter in a postal code. And after that, guys, select the condition, and now we can go ahead and proceed to the next page by clicking continue. And in the next page, guys, now we can select our location. After selecting the location, click continue, and now, guys, we come to the page where we upload images. So here is how to upload images, guys. Just go ahead and click on add images right here, and this will now open up this new page, or where you can browse your PC for an image that you want to add. After you have added the image, guys, just go ahead and click on done with images, and it will proceed to the next page where it is going to go ahead and create the ad for you. As you can see, after you're finished, you see everything is correct. Just click on publish, and this is going to go ahead and publish the ad. But yeah, guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.